it once again.
Class 10 Maths Lesson 7 Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.2 Question number 4. Find the ratio. Here we have to find out the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3 comma 10, another one is 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So through diagram I will explain you. So a line they are given 1 point A. Sorry. One point is A. The A coordinate point I consider minus 3 comma 10 and the B coordinate point I consider 6 comma 8. The line is divided by minus 1 comma 6. So this point I consider P of minus 1 comma 6. We have to find out the ratio. Already I teach you the ratio we have to find out. We need to write here instead of m1 m2 we have to write k is to 1. So you have to find out ratio. The ratio equal to k is to 1. So k value you have to find out. So for this again we are using the section formula. You know very well the section formula is p of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divide by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divide by m1 plus m2. Now we can substitute the value. The point here x1 comma y1, this point is x2 comma y2, k instead of m1, 1 instead of m2, minus 1 6 we can consider x comma y. Now we can substitute left hand side also you have to substitute, the right hand side also you have to substitute. Now I am substituting p of x comma y. So p of I am writing as it is, instead of x comma y I am writing minus 1 comma 6 equal to m1, instead of m1 I am writing k x2, x2 is 6 plus m2 is 1 in x1 is minus 3 divide by m1 plus m2, so k plus 1 comma instead of m1 k, instead of y2 minus 8 plus instead of m2 1, instead of y1 10, the divide by m1 plus m2, so k plus 1. Now we can simplify. So left hand side p of minus 1 comma 6, k into 6, 6k plus into minus, minus 3 divide by k plus 1 comma minus 8 into k, minus 8k plus 1 tens are 10 divide by k plus 1. Now the left hand side and right hand side both you have to compare. X coordinate you have to compare, then y coordinate you have to compare. X coordinate we can compare, then we can compare y coordinate. Here we have to find out the k value. So either x coordinate we can compare or y coordinate we can compare. Any one you can consider, both the answer will come same. Now I am considering x coordinate only. Here the x coordinate is minus 1, left hand side equal to the right hand side x coordinate is 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Now I am simplifying and I am finding the k value. So denominator I am cross multiplying. Minus 1 if you multiply this now we can change the symbol. Minus 1 into k minus k, minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 equal to 6k minus 1. So k I am transferring to right side, number I am transferring to the left side. So minus 1, minus 3 this side coming now, plus 3 equal to 6k minus k. If you transfer to the right side, you will get plus k. 3 subtract 1, 2 equal to 6k plus k, 7k. Therefore, k equal to multiplication 7 transfer to this side. So you will get 2 divided by 7. So the ratio is k, the k value is 2 by 7. If you compare y coordinate also, the k value 2 by 7 only will come. You can check it. So ratio equal to k is to 1. Instead of k we written 2 by 7 is to 1. So 2 by 7 you divide by ratio 1 na, again 2 by 7. The answer is 2 is to 7. So if we found the ratio value, the ratio answer is 2 is to 7. This sum is very important. Repeated board exam question. So practice well.